Hello friends, it's Maccabe's Cakes here and you are all welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm teaching you all how to melt a dark chocolate using microwave and double boiler method. So if it's something you're interested to watch, sit back, relax and enjoy the video to the end. Okay guys, welcome back. This is my microwave here and I used it to melt my dark chocolates. If I anything chocolate, I use my microwave to do that, and here is my dark compound chocolate. Please use compound chocolate. If you use anyhow chocolate, believe me, you might not get a very good result at the end of the day. Okay, so compound chocolate melts faster. There are different types of chocolates. Most of them are always hard and very difficult to melt. But with compound chocolates or conventional chocolates, it's super easy, okay? So I always time my microwave. Sorry, I always time it, yes. Like for this one now is like 56 gram and I use 50 seconds to melt it. You can see the consistency of the chocolate. You can see it's super consistent. I love the way it's running, and it's just okay. So this is for the microwave, how to use microwave to melt your dark chocolate. Like I said, please use compound chocolate and then time your microwave. Hope it's clear. Okay, so the next thing is the double boiler method. We call this method double boiler method, okay? So the thing is, you're going to put your pot on the fire on your cooker and then put water. Don't allow it to boil. Once it's like steaming hot, like picking out vapor like on the video, then you put a bowl like this inside the pot and then put your chocolate in a plate like this and then you melt. Okay, put chocolate inside a bowl there and then you melt. So is the steam, make sure that the water must not be boiling, like you shouldn't get boiled. It's the steam that will melt the chocolate. I didn't put it directly into the hot water. If not, it will seize. If you put your bowl directly into the hot water, the chocolate will seize. So it should not be directly, rather it should be on top, more like, I don't know if you guys are understanding me, and then you melt, you keep on stirring. Okay, it was really too hot for me here, like when I was trying to melt the chocolates, like it was really hot guys. But then I love the fact that it came out nice. Like I said, it's the steam that we actually melt the chocolate. I hope it's clear guys, like I hope you understand. So that's for the oh, that's really hot. It was really hot here, but I just had to do it anyway so you guys can understand. So please, I've turned off my heat already, but make sure that if you don't have microwave, this method works best and I love it. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and give this video a thumbs up after watching. Like this video and share this video to your friends and your baker friends. Okay guys, thank you so much. So this is the consistency of the double boiler method. I love how it is. You can see it. It's so nice and beautiful. It's still running like as if I used the microwave. So guys, subscribe to my channel, okay? And okay, so this is the one I use for microwave. You can see how it is. It's looking so nice, lush and perfect. This one I use the double boiler method. As you can see, it's looking good. So guys, you can try it and send me your feedback. Thanks for watching.